Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to solve this example using graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. We are given with the pair of linear equation x plus y equals to 2 and 2x minus y equals to 4. Let us solve using the graphical method. To solve the pair of linear equation using graphical method, we need at least 2 points for each line. So for the first line x plus y equals to 2, if we put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to 2, and if we put y equals to 0, we will get x equals to 2. For second line 2x minus y equals to 4, if we put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to minus 4, and if we put y equals to 0, we will get 2x equals to 4, x equals to 2. So the points for the first line are 0, 2 and 2, 0. For the second line, the points are 0, minus 4 and 2, 0. Let us plot the points on graph. X equals to 0, y equals to 2 and y equals to 0, then x equals to 2. The first line is passing from 0, 2 and 2, 0. This is the line L1. For line L2, the points are 0, minus 4, that is x equals to 0, then y is minus 4, and when x equals to 2, then y equals to 0. So the line is passing from 0, minus 4 and 2, 0. This is the solution using the graphical method. The line intersect at the point 2, 0. So the solution of linear equation is 2, 0, or we can write x equals to 2 and y equals to 0. Now using the substitution method, the equations are x plus y equals to 2 and 2x minus y equals to 4. We subject any one of the variable, that is x or y, from one equation and put the value of that variable in the other equation. Let us subject y from the first equation. We have y equals to 2 minus x, and we will put the value of y in the second equation. We have 2x minus y equals to 4. 2x minus y equals to 2 minus x equals to 4. That is equals to 2x minus 2, minus into minus is plus, x equals to 4. 2x plus x is 3x equals to 4 plus 2 is 6. We have x equals to 2. We got the value of x. Now put the value of x in any one of the equation. We have x equals to 2. Let us put in the second equation 2x minus y equals to 4. We have 2 into 2 minus y equals to 4. 2 2s are 4, minus y equals to 4. 4 4 will get cancelled, so the value of y is 0. We got the same solution in the first method, x equals to 2 and y equals to 0. X equals to 2 and y equals to 0. We can put the value of x in any one of the equation. Let us put in the first equation, that is x equals to 2. So 2 plus y equals to 2. 2 2 will get cancelled. Y equals to 0. Value of y will be same if we put in any one of the equation. Now using the elimination method, The equations are x plus y equals to 2 and 2x minus y equals to 4. In elimination method, we make the coefficient of any one of the variables same to eliminate that variable and find the solution. So let us eliminate x. To make the coefficient of x equal, we will multiply the first equation by 2. You will get 2x plus 2y equals to 4. The second equation is 2x minus y equals to 4. Now subtract second equation from first equation. You will get 2x will get cancelled. 2y plus y is 3y plus 4 minus 4 equals to 0. We have y equals to 0. We got the value of y. Now put value of y in any one of the equation. We got the value of y. Now put the value of y in any one of the equation to get the solution of x. We got the value of x and y, that is 2 and 0, that is same in all three cases. X equals to 2, y equals to 0, x equals to 2, y equals to 0. From next lecture, we will start chapter number 4. Thank you.